Here we go. Example 2. According to the Housing Foundation of America, HFA, 28% of all homes above $400,000 have a pool, 43% have an attached garage, and 59% have a pool or, key in on that word, an attached garage. What is the probability a randomly selected home has both a pool and an attached garage? So before you do this problem, you have to decide on what you want the variables to be. I would probably pick garage, no garage, pool, no pool. This one's actually pretty straightforward. Some of these get a little confusing. This one's pretty easy. And then think about what you were given. So you can go ahead and you can say, okay, the probability that I have a garage is about 43%. And the probability I have a pool is about 28%. Now the thing you might be confused about is this 59%. First of all, 59 is bigger than 28, and it's also bigger than 53, so it's not going to be the intersection. The key word here that you need to hone in on is or. What I actually gave you here was the union. I gave you the probability of the union of the garage and the houses with the pool. That's going to be 0.59. And then you have to think about, what do we want? So where are we going with this? What are we looking for? Well, we're looking for the intersection because we see the word and. So we're looking for the intersection of the homes that have a pool and a garage. So remember, the union is going to be all the garage homes plus all the pool homes minus the intersection of the two because you've counted it twice. So if we write out the little formula here, the union equals the probability of G plus the probability of P minus the intersection of P because you've counted it twice. And then from there you can just plug in your values. We know the union's 0.59, garage 0.43, pool 0.28, minus the intersection is the one variable we need. Notice we need the whole intersection, so we're going to go ahead and move these over, divide by -1, and we get the intersection to be 0.12. And that actually makes sense now because 0.12 is less than 0.43, and it's also less than 0.28. So if you wanted to, then you could fill out the rest of the chart, but we're actually done. We can say the probability a randomly selected home has both a garage and a pool is about 12%. Cool. So you have a little class kick, activity 1.2.2b, where we focus on giving you unions instead of intersections like we did yesterday. And then on Thursday, we're going to start working with conditional probabilities and putting it all together. Have a good day.